What's poppin'? We're back.
What's good with it?
What up with it? What's good with it? What up with it? We gotta prank it. We gotta pray. We gotta pray. We gotta prank. You guys, so I saw this prank going around. Basically, it was like a text message prank. So basically, with the holidays coming, everyone's turking cookie. This prank basically was cooking a turkey in the oven. So basically kids were sending it to like their parents, their older siblings, and was like, hey, like I have a turkey in the oven, like or in the microwave, like how long should I cook it? So the responses were pretty funny. So I brought it up to Alexis.
Yeah, I was like, what's that? Good idea.
I got this picture. I literally just hashtagged this, you guys, on Instagram, and I got this picture. It looks like it's a turkey in a microwave. I kind of cropped it out. And conveniently, you see like the cabinets, it low-key looks like it could be in my house.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna go ahead and send this to Ma. You guys have, by this upload, have already seen Ma in our last prank, which was the
Edible prank.
Yes.
You guys gotta go check that out. Show some love.
you know, live. But also make sure you hit that
Subscribe,
like,
comment down.
let's get into it. Boom. I'm gonna be like, question it. I should have said that before I sent the picture, huh?
Nah.
Here's my question. Why is it not sending?
She's about to be like, what? She's about to be
I feel like she's gonna think I'm crazy. Okay, well, Ma is not responding.
Next week, yeah, I do care about that. I'm wearing like a big PJ shirt if you guys are wondering what's going on with me.
Okay, I put, girl, how long do I cook a turkey in the microwave? I'm gonna put a small one. Me and Alexis.
Oh, the picture.
Huh?
Send the picture.
Oh, okay. Come on, Kayla. I know you're on your phone. I know you are, girl. I'm sorry I didn't respond earlier. I was honestly working. Hope you're not mad. Let me try to call.
I'll wait to see if she texts me.
Oh, I get impatient. I get so impatient, you guys. I am so impatient. Dead. Us. Imagine though. I mean, could you cook a turkey in the microwave though? Like if you cooked it for mad long? You don't think so?
I don't think you can.
I'm about to Google it.
Right, can you actually?
Can you cook a turkey in the microwave? Can you do it? A whole turkey takes 7 to 9 minutes per pound at 50% power in rotating dish every microwave oven method. You can. Wow. Ew.
Wow, what the heck?
Quick question. All right. So we're gonna do it. Okay, so we're gonna do it to my sister instead, you guys. Cause oh, she already read. Look it. Quick question. Hey. Are you mad at me or something? She just said hey. All she said was hey. Just in the picture.
I just got done like.
All she said was hey, Aisha. All right, let's see. How long? Should I put how? Ask away. How long should I cook this turkey in the microwave? It's already, yeah. How long should I cook this?
I should. I'm excited now.
Wait, why is it spawn Truki? How long should I cook this turkey?
That is you, freak. What is it?
Like, I'm it. How long should I cook this turkey in the microwave? But it says, like, I'm gonna put, it's a small one. Mind you, my sister did not want me cooking for Thanksgiving because I cook very good, you guys. I cook very good, right?
Yeah.
But, like, I haven't followed through with, like, the stuff I was gonna cook. Oh, gosh, she's responded. She said, I know you're smarter than that. She's texting again. I'm about to be like turkey in the microwave. I'm about to be like, I put it in for 1 hour. Sheesh. 1 hour 30. I'm about to be like, wait, what? Wait, what?
She said, sheesh.
I'm getting nervous, you guys. I can't even text.
Maggie, I'm sick.
Stop playing.
She said, sheesh, I'm dead. Stop.
I'm about to do. I just put the emojis like, and then like the eye roll.
You should drag it and be like, well, I left real quick, so I'm going to just cook a minute.
Wait, yeah, when she responds.
Yeah,
said, Maggie, stop playing. I love you so much, Aisha. Oh my God. You wouldn't do that. I'm about to be like, I started it in the oven, but I had to go get Aubrey, so I'm letting it finish in the microwave.
Yeah. Oh my God. Yo, this is so funny.
Aubrey, so I put it in the microwave to finish. I'm about to put the emoji again. And then the like was that. Oh, now Ma's calling. Oh God. She blocked me, you guys? It's not even sending.
Nah.
Yo, Ma is... All right. Let's see what Ma says in the meantime, you guys. Hello?
Hello. Hey.
Hey. Did you get my text?
All it says is hey, Ma.
Oh, so I was gonna just ask you, but I ended up turning it on. I started cooking like a small turkey in the oven, but I had to go get Aubrey, so I just put it in the microwave to finish cooking. I just didn't know like how long I should leave it in the microwave to cook. Like it's a whole turkey.
Don't cook it in the microwave.
Huh?
Take it out of the microwave.
I already left.
Oh my God. No, you never cook a turkey in a microwave.
I googled it and it said like per pound I could leave it in the microwave per pound, like.
Oh, ew. I would never eat a microwave turkey.
Dang. I put it in there with like the potatoes, the corn, the cabbage, everything in a bowl.
No.
Dang.
Because the turkey, while it cooks, it bleeds. So it's going to bleed all into your cabbage, your potatoes.
But yeah, but you know, like, I usually eat it kind of like medium rare anyways.
Yeah, not turkey. You're supposed to cook turkey thoroughly. Get salmonella if it's raw.
I thought it could be like medium rare, like steak. Like
No, not
rare.
turkey. No. That's got to be cooked well.
Well done?
Yeah.
Or it could just be like
you
well.
get salmonella with that shit.
Oh.
You will definitely be in the hospital soon, you guys.
Oh my, I'm just messing with you. I know not to put a turkey in the microwave. I'm here with Alexis. It's a prank.
Listen, I'm gonna put both y'all black asses. I'm gonna turn both y'all white. Understand? What about you and your brownies? The other day told me I was eating marijuana and a few brownies. After they got me halfway home, it was a prank and they videotaped it the whole time. Kids. I don't know. Now she's telling me she's cooking the turkey in the microwave with potatoes and cabbage. Cabbage don't go with turkey.
That's right, it doesn't. Oh shoot.
Right.
All right, Ma, I love you. I don't think that was hilarious.
That was so
I
funny.
said medium rare, like I don't know what made me think to say that. Like, you know how you can have a steak bloody?
Oh yeah.
I don't know. No, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. No, I don't know. I don't really know. I don't know.
I don't.
I dead don't know. Like,
Stop asking.
I
me.
dead don't know.
Hey, keep asking for her. Don't.
Oh.
Hi.
Okay, you guys. Well, it was semi-successful.
Yeah, it was funny. It was funny.
It was a nice, quick little funny thing.
Nice little laugh.
You know, check the hoodie. Rick and Morty.
You already know what time it is. You already know.
I don't even watch Rick and Morty. Alex does. She loves Rick and Morty.
So she's just a fake. But yeah, she's a fake fan.
I just
Fake
got the sweater because I
bandwagon.
liked it. It was pink,
Bandwagoner.
pretty colors.
Bandwagoner.
And maybe I could talk for a little bit. You guys.
I barely talked the whole video. Like, now what time it is? Like, you're. No.
You guys. Make sure you click that subscribe. Stop. Bitch. You're free.
No,
Shut up.
We're twins, like, if you can tell.
Yeah, paternal.
It's
It
a
is
little,
called, right?
like, different tone.
Paternal. Or is that fraternal?
It's external.
It's not external, you freak. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Show us some love. Till next time, we out.
We out of here. Boom.
I'm caught up on you.